magazines that can be found in all over the world. Pink. Pink is romantic, is sweet, tender, cute, is sometimes associated with babies. It means something that is delicate. If you review in your mind, you realize that most of the baby products are in pink, although some of the products concern about boys, but they have the pink color. Johnson & Johnson, their website is in pink. The Barbie world is in pink, and several other baby products websites. Just a small comment: Britney Spears had her first website in pink color. Why? Because Britney Spears was supposed to be the famous pop singer that should or would remain virgin till she gets married. Just to say another word without a comment, now the website is in black. Yellow. Yellow is colorated with something that is bright, with sunshine, cheerful, friendly, energy. Green. Green is associated with fresh, grass, iris, lively, spring. If you just look at the website at the internet, you realize that most of the spa products is based on combinations on variations of the green color. Something like that. What about blue? The sky blue. It is calming, cool, heavenly, true, happy, restful. Just make a quick tour on the websites of the biggest hotels in Greece or abroad. They are all based in blue. Vivanis, Aldermar, etc. Why? Because they want to say that come to us and you are going to be calm and cool. Go to Facebook. The main color is blue. Why? Because it is something that is happy. It tries to be true, despite the things that all of us believe about that. Colors can also be used to identify spatial information, are one of the most powerful tools that can be used in order to distinguish several different sectors of a store. They can either separate the content area from a navigation information, or they can represent the basic sections and subsections of the website. Color tabs are mainly used as individual marks to identify different sections of a website. A mock-up design of a website, a typical paradigm of this is the design of Amazon website. Color can be used to direct user focus. Let's see the two different figures in this slide. In the first figure, emphasis on the navigation bar. The second figure, emphasis on the product. Color also can be used to enhance product navigation experience. Colors can be used to group items with common characteristics just by using simple techniques. For example, we have three different kind of clothes. If you just put a stripe behind this kind of products, these products look that they can be grouped together just with using colors. What about colors and text? Similar techniques can be used in order to visually organize text. Graphics like horizontal or vertical colored bars can be used as a structural element of the website. These elements visualize the end of something and the beginning of a new item. For example, paragraph, columns, and products. Color letters work better when they are in bold fonts and have high contrast backgrounds. The easiest text to read is in strong black fonts on white backgrounds. Information should never be distinguished by color only, but should be combined with bolder fonts, underlying dashes, italics, or other typographic features. But yes, we have 216 colors. We don't need so many colors. Research has been done and identified that No more than 6 colors are needed on a screen. Trying to incorporate more than 6 colors maybe results in a different phenomenon called color pollution for the web. And let's come to the conclusions. Color is a basic structural unit for the web. Scientifically, it is one of the ingredients of human vision. Psychologically, it gives a different message to mind and soul. Color can influence the way people look, understand, think, and react in the presentation of any information on the web. There is no magic recipe to guarantee success. The proper use of colors may improve the visual effect of a website. I would like to thank you, and if there are any questions or comments, I will be glad to answer.
Thank you, Mr. Sirmakesis. So you helped us realize that the web communication, after all, does incorporate some nonverbal cues, and it may start us thinking how, in the process of development, we might even incorporate more senses. And it does structure and limit. I mean, it's very important. We all remember that 6 colors, that's all we can handle. So it does give a structure. Yet it's mediated and it's pre-designed, and I wonder what that does to this mediated communication. Anyway, these questions we're going to have at the end. I think it's better if we move on and have our third presenter. This is John Katerellos, Associate... Ioannis Katerellos, Associate Professor in the Department of Psychology at Pantio University. He specializes in social dynamics and social networks and the way they relate to web. So that's what he's going to present.
Just before entering this room, I was told that instead of 20 minutes, well, it was only 10 minutes, so some slides will pass away very quickly, so I'm sorry about that, but this is the rules of the game. So my presentation will be about social networks as infrastructures containing social dynamics and variable social geometry. Well, the theory, it's not a theory, a real theory, but it's a social network approach, which is characterized by many authors as a gold mine for social scientists, at least for the past few decades. Since Moreno's sociograms, 1932, about the runaway girls in Hanson School, where Moreno have discovered that there was a network between those girls who has gone away, and this was a network of influence between them. Since also Stanley Milgram's notorious study about the 6 degrees of separation in 1967, and also its continuity, if you wish,